Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Remedy. Today, I'll show you how to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive in just a few simple steps. Whether you're reinstalling Windows or setting up a new PC, this is the easiest way to do it. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the Media Creation tool first. Head over to the official Microsoft website. Open your browser and search Windows 10 Media Creation Tool, or go to microsoft.com/software-downloads/Windows 10. Once you're on the page, click the Download Now button under Create Windows 10 Installation Media. This will download the Media Creation Tool, which we'll use to make our bootable USB. Step 2. Run the Media Creation Tool now. Locate the downloaded file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click to open it. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. After it loads, you'll see a Getting Things Ready screen. Give it a moment, and then select Create Installation Media, USB Flash Drive. DVD, or ISO file, for another PC. Click Next. Step 3. Select Language, Edition, and Architecture on the next screen. Windows will auto-select recommended settings based on your PC. If you need a different version, uncheck Use the recommended options for this PC, and manually select the language, edition, and architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. Once done, hit Next. Step 4. Choose USB flash drive now. Select USB flash drive and click Next. Make sure your USB drive is plugged in. It must be at least 8 GB, and note that all data on it will be erased. So, back up any important files first. Select your USB drive from the list and click Next. If you don't see it, unplug and reconnect it, then click Refresh. Step 5. Download and install Windows 10. The tool will now download Windows 10 and install it onto your USB drive. This may take some time, depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you'll see your USB flash drive is ready. Click Finish and safely eject the USB. And that's it. You now have a Windows 10 bootable USB ready to go. You can use this to install or repair Windows on any PC. If this guide helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you